Today we will be unboxing the Tuffcare High Strength Feather Light Wheelchair. This is one of the many high quality wheelchairs that Tuffcare has to offer. We're going to start off by taking a look at all the components that make up the Tuffcare High Strength Feather Light Wheelchair. First, push down on the seat of the main component until you feel a click. Line up the handlebars to the corresponding holes and push them in until you reach your desired back height. Place the optional seat belt in the lap of the seat. Line up the ring on the end of the seat belt to the height adjusting bar. Then tighten the screw so that each side is secured tightly. Place a zip tie around the height adjusting bar and the main component bar. Don't forget to cut the ends of the zip ties. Place the anti-tipping device into the holes while holding on to the lock-in pins. Now fit the pins in the holes on each side. Place the leg rest in and fold down the pad and foot plate. Another option is just the footrest. You can also place that on accordingly. Don't forget to remove the plastic from all the wheels. Now you are ready to use the Tuffcare High Strength Feather Light Wheelchair.